We're looking good. Looking good. Let's go on a drive. That is the goal for today. Drive. And it looks like the sun is going down. So I think it's probably time to put the headlights up. Of course, only one headlight pops up. Genuinely do not understand why this always happens. Do I ever look into it? Nope. There we go. It'll be nighttime by the time I get home anyway. I love these taillights. The taillights are so sick. Headlights should still be working. Yes, they are. All right. Yo, it's been stupid hot lately. Y'all know what would slap? And I don't even think a lot of y'all would even know what this is. But a freaking like a red honey dripper right now would slap with some pineapples. Honestly, any flavor honey dripper would slap. I low-key might need to make some. And if you don't know what a honey dripper is, you probably have another name for it. It's basically like frozen Kool-Aid on crack, and you just throw some fruit in it. Oh my god. Favorite childhood diabetes snack for midsummer. That's how you knew it was summer. When the watermelon came out and the honey drippers. It's a wrap.
You're black. Please get on the ground so I can beat you.
I don't eat a lot of sugar these days though, so I don't know how that would work. We'll figure something out. It's a nice Beamer. A X7. Oh, is this a C5 coming up? Why are you going that way, bro? Go the other way. Come with me. Oh man, I should have went that way. Cannot get over all the hard work I did to this car, bro. I'm talking hours and hours of sweat, bloody fingers, a couple of tears that we sucked right back up. I need to get some headers. I'm not gonna do that myself. I already mentioned that in one of my older videos. Oh fuck. Anyway, I mentioned that in another video. Like I'm gonna get some headers, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the install myself. I think I could do it. I genuinely think I could do it, but I don't want to spend like a week working on it. You see what I'm saying? I can do it, but I'm not gonna do it in like a day. It's probably gonna take like 3 days because I'm very slow when it comes to that kind of stuff, but I can get it done. So I don't know, we'll see. If I could just get somebody to do it in like a day, literally a few hours, like I might as well just I might as well just do that, you feel me? Maps is telling me to go that way. I don't know if I want to go that way. Oh, GTI Volkswagen. Hey yo, who's that in the M3 up there? Make sure the headlights were down. about it. Gotta tighten up my suspension. Like, I legit felt the car like on that curve, that long curve. I should be able to just take that, but the car just like, it feels like it's like kind of leaning a little bit. Like I need to tighten that up. That just doesn't feel good. It feels like, it feels sketchy, honestly. Yo, there's this fly in here. It's pissing me off. I see a modded Fiat 500 over there. Fun fact, I was gonna get an Abarth 500 for a daily. I was like this close. I thought it would be hilarious, but I didn't end up doing it. Now I just smudged I'm trying to kill that fly. I just smudged the damn window with my dirty ass hands. Once I'm able to like really dial in this car, I think I'll be very, very satisfied to eventually go back to the Tail of the Dragon and do that whole thing again. Because the first time, absolutely not. It was atrocious. It was sketchy, low key, very sketchy. would you do that? What is the plan here, buddy? You're gonna cut them off? No. You're gonna get right back in that lane. Like I said. See, I could have just scooted on in there, but you wanted to be silly, buddy. This damn camera, bro. Tell me how this thing overheated, turned off. I turn it back on, and then it says, hey, you need to do a firmware update. So that's what I'm doing. But I was gonna stop anyway, get some snacks. I need some freaking chips or something, bro. I've been craving like junk food lately. It's insane. And I needed to raise my headlight anyway. I'm gonna look into this issue because this is annoying, bro. It's like the motor gets stuck for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why it does that, but it gets stuck. It's very annoying. But we got it, don't worry. Oh, I thought I was gonna scrape. No scrape. Beautiful. Yo, check it out. We have active handling. Whoa. Driving won't be as sketchy. Let's go. Holy. Who knew active handling made such a difference, right? You can just drive the car normally without stress. You know what? Maybe I should look into that. I low-key might get it fixed. Oh, hell no. That's a C7? Bro will absolutely smoke me. Oh, bro's crazy. Bro's crazy. My bad, bro. I gotta take this exit. So sorry. If only I could get one of those. That thing is crazy, bro. Clearly the car did okay, and we kind of pushed it a little bit tonight, but I was concerned about overheating issues in this car, but it seems to only do like 230 at like idle, but we're gonna address that eventually. It's not too much of a concern right now because the temps do drop back down to like 220-ish or a little bit under 220. So I will figure that out whenever the time comes. And I do think after tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and try and get my, I think it's the EBCM replaced. Having active handling is actually pretty nice.
No shit, Sherlock.
But I do know to replace them, I think they're pretty expensive and they all do eventually go out. So I genuinely do not know if it's even worth it, but that's something I'll look into. And again, we will do that when the time comes. But I'm gonna get some food and call it a night. I will see y'all in the next one.